meal for brains, bro. What's going on?
I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired of suffering.
Bro, you're trash, bro. Bro, you're trash, bro.
You should kill yourself.
Oh my goodness. Suggestion on these roads, it's got to be fulfilling some type of weird fetish they got. Oh, that sounded like it hurt. I'm sorry, car. I'm a huge fan of Continental tires, but this time around, I decided to try something a little new. I'm running Cosmo Mucho Machos. I know the name's crazy, but listen, for what they are, for the price, they grip up pretty well, man. I can't even lie.
We do not care.